so this is Club Penguin. We've recently launched on all iOS devices, so kids can now play on iPad and iPhone. And Club Penguin is still the #1 virtual world for kids in hundreds of countries, and now we're available in 6 languages. So we're kind of just showing off the iPad app today because we've changed it a lot for mobile. So you can see my penguin here in an Iron Man costume with wings. We can go into the town here just to give you a look at what Club Penguin is. So if you're familiar with it, you know that kids love being social in Club Penguin and playing around and talking to other penguins. So we have all the chat system that was in the normal virtual world online in the app. So kids are talking and we still have the same safety precautions we have. We have 200 human moderators that are in the world at all times, making sure kids are being appropriate. And we also have proprietary chat technology, so it filters out inappropriate things that kids might be saying. For example, kids can say, I want to go to the beach, but they can't say, you are a beach. So it really filters out like even sound recognition words as well, which is nice.
What's nice about Club Penguin is it doesn't matter if it's boys, girls, it's like just the interactive play of it, of building, changing costumes, making a character, versus some of the other virtual worlds, it's like very focused on either a girl or a boy.
Right, it's totally self-expression in Club Penguin, so they can dress however they want to. Like I was in my Iron Man costume with blonde hair, so it's however they want, and actually our split is 50-50 boy-girl, which is pretty rare for a virtual world. And I'll just show you quickly, we've changed the gameplay so it's really touch-based now, since we're on iPad, so the gameplay is really using the iPad well.
And the pricing is still like before, the membership you buy monthly or?
Yeah, so the app is free to download, and you can have, there's tons of gameplay that kids can use for free, but if they want enhanced gameplay, there is the membership.